What up, guys? Anthony here. So today I got the race car. So let's do it. Oh yeah. This is so cool. So let's try it in the street. Come on. Let's see how this works. This speed is really good, and I kind of like it. I might get another one because I kind of like these now. So yeah, let's go back now to over here. Let's go in circles. 3, 2, 1, go. Good. Now, let's put it back here, and let's go back this way, though. Oh no, it made a crash. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So, thanks for watching and bye!